There is no reason, there is no excuse. Child labor is child abuse. A very pleasant afternoon to one and all present here. Today, I, Nikita, and I, Khushi, of class 12 Commerce, are here to present a thought-provoking skit on child labor with our classmates. We all are aware of the threats that child labor poses to a nation's growth.
The two small words, child labor, have far to deprive children from their childhood. What a mystery! This practice is considered exploitative by many national and international organizations. Still, it's prevailing. But our group believes only in the darkness we can see the stars. So our skit is a small try to spread awareness among society to approve child labor from everywhere.
So all lovely spectators, without any further delay, let's start our first scene showing the different mindset of children from rich and poor families.
Brother, I always have tears in my eyes when I see children of our age moving happily towards the school. Oh, I wish if I could also go to school and become successful in life using the most powerful weapon, education.
Here, Rama, stop speaking rubbish. See, we are free birds. We can fly anywhere without any restrictions. We are more blessed because we are here to enjoy our life with all shortcut means. Understood, my stupid sister?
But brother, don't you think that study is the most powerful tool to achieve our goals? I think education is the passport to our future.
Stop being foolish, Rama.
In scene 2, let's see what shortcut means a child from poor family, Raghu, applies to live life. Can you believe Raghu plans to steal a mobile phone of a rich girl named Rita?
So my sweet sister Rama, today I'll show you how you can earn money without going to your so-called stupid school.
Brother, I'm scared. What's going in your mind? What are you planning to do?
Just wait and watch. You will have all your answers soon.
Help, don't let him go snatch my phone!
Hey, you bad boy! How dare you do this? Now you'll be sent to jail.
Sorry sir, sorry, I'll not do it again. Please leave me.
No, you should be taught a lesson.
Now police is informed and Raghu is sent to the rehabilitation center. Let's take a look what happens the next.
Hey, who is the thief here? Hey, who is the thief here? Inspector Rathod has come and all know very well. All the crimes are scared of me.
Sorry sir, I'll not do it again.
No explanation, children. Like you must be sent to a rehabilitation center to learn good things and to be a good citizen.
So please forgive my brother.
Oh, so you are his sister? You are also part of the plan, so you are also punished.
Oh my God, what a luck! Without any sympathy, heartless Mr. Rathod took Raghu and his sister to the rehabilitation center and handed them over to Mrs. Sheila, who is the owner of that center.
Hello ma'am, this boy Raghu is caught red-handed stealing the mobile phone. Now we are handing him over to with his sister. Now,
Don't worry, sir. It's my pleasure to do something for our society. Now leave all to me. But is the world indeed this much good? Is the goodness of Mrs. Sheila real or fake? Our next scene is going to unveil all the mysteries. So be ready to be thrilled by our next scene.
After this shortcut meeting with Mrs. Sheila, Mr. Rathod left the children in custody of her. So let's watch the conversation of Mrs. Sheila with Raghu and Rama.
So, I am talking to the innocent looking children who are thieves.
No ma'am, we are not thieves.
How daring you are! You still have courage to lie when you got red-handed.
No ma'am, we are speaking truth.
Don't worry, my lovely kids. I am here to help you as much as I can.
Thank you ma'am, you are really too good.
Then go to your rooms and sleep.
Good night ma'am.
Dear spectators, mark these words. Ma'am, you are really too good. Is Mrs. Sheila really a good woman, or the truth is something else? Our next scene is going to unveil all the mystery. Thank God for making me rich day by day. Now these two kids will uplift my bank balance more. Ha ha! Now this so-called social worker is going to save these children.
Hello.
Hello, Mr. Sundarlal. Good news for you. You will soon get two helping hands for your restaurant. Yes, their names are Raghu and Rama.
Madam Sheila, you are not less clever and cunning than a fox. Thank you so much. So, when I have my helping hands with me?
Tomorrow, sir.
Okay, then let's meet tomorrow.
Wait, Mr. Sundarlal. Why are you in this hurry? Let's do the deal first. As you know, children trafficking is not an easy task. What I am getting in return of this?
Okay, you are offering me 2 little slaves. I think 50,000 is enough.
50,000? I think you should forget about this deal now. Good night.
Wait, ma'am, why are you getting angry? You say what you expect.
Twice of 50,000, 1 lakh. Choice is yours.
Okay, deal is done.
I must say, life without parents and money is really tough. Let's see how stealing hands of these children became working hands.
Come on, children. Today I will take to a very nice place.
Where we are going, ma'am?
Don't you trust me?
We do, ma'am.
Then follow me. See, how is this big restaurant?
Wow, we are going to eat something today.
Let's wait and watch. Let's go in.
Oh, I was waiting for you. So these are the children?
Yes, let's talk to the point. I want money.
Money is ready.
Thank you very much, sir. We will meet soon.
Okay.
Where are you going, ma'am?
I'm going to hell. Leave my hand.
Don't go, ma'am. Hey, why are you staring like that? You are sold and I am your master. So start doing job. Wash utensils, clean tables, serve food to the customer.
Give each child a pencil, but never use those hands to wash utensils. But might be this was their children's destination. They started working as slaves. Then came a twist in the story, where this world is filled with bad people, still there are some good people. Let's see the entering of two people, Sona and Kalpana, who works for the NGO to save children from child labor.
Kalpana, this restaurant seems nice. Let's move in. So, what would you like to have?
Choice is all yours, Sona.
Namaste, ma'am. What would you like to have?
So, 2 sandwiches with cold drinks, right?
Okay, done.
Okay, ma'am.
Hey, what's your age?
12, ma'am.
Brother, come soon. We have to wash utensils also. Otherwise, we have to pay for it.
Hey, you, come here. Are you working as a child labor here? Do you know it is a crime?
Just order your food, ma'am. We don't want to talk about that.
We will help you to come out of this trap and live a happy and respectful life.
Mrs. Sheila also used to say the same, but she left
Mrs.
us.
Sheila.
Owner of Rehabilitation Center.
She sold us to Mr. Sundarlal
Where is Mr. Sundarlal?
at the cash counter.
Let's meet him.
Now listen to the conversation of Mr. Sundarlal with Sona and Kalpana, who are working for NGO.
So, Mr. Sundarlal, don't you know child labor is a crime?
It's none of their business.
I have already called the police. They must be reaching shortly.
So ma'am, you told me that Mrs. Sheila is doing the shameful business of children trafficking.
Yes, you have to arrest her.
And Mr. Sundarlal, you are also under arrest.
Thank you, sir.
Now these poor children, Raghu and Rama, are now taken by the NGO people and they took the responsibility of their further steps. This incident had totally changed their life from a rootless weed to a new and taller plant. And we can see after 15 years, Raghu and Rama are now successful in their life by achieving their desired goals.
My opinion regarding studies was absolutely right. The result is in front of you that I become a successful CA.
Now I understand that studying is the most powerful tool to get success.
We can see here how children from very low status are also able to achieve their dreams. But not only here, the situation is prevailing in some other countries as well. Like here we can see the scenario of Sri Lanka, Bangladesh and Bhutan about the present condition of children in their country. So in order to banish all this, we should stand against child labor and report to the concerned authorities if we witness child exploitation in any form anywhere.
Being youth of the country, we are highly responsible towards the growth and development for our country. So we should keep up the fight against child labor in a hope of happy childhood and satisfied nation. Because today's
Today's children are tomorrow's future. Thank you.